This is a picture of the jack point from the Toyota Yaris owner's manual. Right here is the jacking point, that bolt, okay? And also, right here, there's an arrow. So you can use that arrow for reference. Right there, there's an arrow. So you know you have the correct jacking point. This car sits really low to the ground, so you're either going to have to use a pair of ramps so you can get access to the jack point, or you're going to have to use another jack to jack up the side of the car at the pinch weld so you can fit your other jack underneath of the car to reach the middle jack point.